Good afternoon or magandang hapon. Today is Thursday or Huwebes. And on Learning Tagalog, we're going to cover fruits. So, let's start with watermelon. Watermelon is called Pakwan. Pakwan. Jackfruit is Langka. Langka. Mango is Mangga. Mangga. Banana is called saging. Saging. Pineapple is Pinya. Pinya. And cantaloupe or marshmallow or melon is melon. Melon. Java plum or jambola is called Duhat in Tagalog. Duhat. Spanish plum, hag plum, red mumbin or jocote is called Siniguelas. 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 And gooseberry is called Karamay or Bangkiling. Karamay. Bangkiling. And one of the fruits I had enjoyed on my childhood, because we have the tree in the backyard, is Malay apple or curacao. The tree is just a small tree, so I could climb it and enjoy the fruits. The fruits are red and crunchy. Makopa. Makopa. Next is sugar apple. Sugar apple is called Atis. Atis. Also a fruit that has 5 ridges. Balimbing. 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 Apple is Mansanas in Tagalog. Mansanas. And papaya is papaya, papaw, or pawpaw. Papaya. It's called papaya. Also, the green papaya is consumed as a vegetable on a Filipino dish, soup-based dish called tinola. Papaya. And star apple or milk fruit is Kaymito. It only differs in the spelling, like the I and the Y, but it is pronounced the same. Kaymito. Kaymito. And one of the fruits I like, Soursop. It's called Guyabano. 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 Grapes is Ubas. Ubas. And Monkeypod, I had seen these trees, the Monkeypod trees, where I was born in Zambales. It's Camachile. Monkeypod is Kamatsile. Kamatsile or Camachile. Also, it looks like tamarind, but the difference is the flesh. Once ripe, the flesh, the pads cracks up open and it reveals the white meat and the black seeds, and it turns reddish in color once it's ripe. Kamatsile. Kamachile. Also, I have Balimbi fruit. Camias. Camias. It is pronounced the same. Camias. Camias. Also, it is a sour fruit. My grandmother has a tree before in Zambales, and I would eat the fruits with salt, and my mom would use it to get rid of stains on our white clothes. Guava Bayabas. Also, the green bayabas or guava is also used as a souring agent. Bayabas. And not only the green fruit, the overripe fruits as well. And tamarind or sampalok. Sampalok. Also, it is used as a souring agent. Both the young pads, the young fruits, and the young leaves are used as a souring agent on the dish sinigang. Sampalok. Also, I have other fruits here. Lanzones. Lanzones. And durian. Durian durian is a spiky fruit, and it has a very strong smell, and people finds it offensive. But despite of the offensive smell, they enjoy the fruit. They said it is very sweet. I haven't tried one, so I don't know yet. But for those who are brave enough with the smell, they said they really like the fruit. And rambutan, my favorite, rambutan. It is red. The fruit is red and it's spiky. But those spikes are very soft, so they won't stick your fingers. And once open, the inside of the fruit is similar to lychee. Santol, a sour fruit, turns yellow when ripe, and Filipinos enjoys this with salt. Also, I have catmon, and cacao bean, cacao. Also, with the spelling of this Tagalog fruits, just click on show more to see the spelling, and also I'm going to include a link on my article with the fruits found in the Philippines, so you could see how it looks like. I'm sure you haven't seen some of the fruits, so if you want to see how it looks like and read about the fruits, you could also go there. So just click on show more. Okay, until next time.